now keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
Good morning and welcome to Monday. The time is now 6:39. The next few days, your outdoor plans look to be safe from the rain. This morning, we have this cool area of high pressure nearby, and that's going to keep our weather quiet. So from now through Wednesday, Monday through Wednesday, the weather will be dry. We're also going to see a warming trend. The warming trend begins today, then it will really kick in tomorrow. As far as clouds, hardly any clouds to be found across the region. Nearest area of rain is out toward West Texas. Cool and dry this morning, 45 degrees, beautiful colors in the sky as we near sunrise, and there's light wind. As far as the forecast map for today, with the high pressure nearby, this means our weather map will be a fairly quiet one. The wind will be much lighter today compared to what we had yesterday, only about 5 to 10 miles an hour, and the wind will be from the north. 5 p.m. this afternoon, at the most, a few high clouds will be possible. The weather remaining dry across Oklahoma. Then overnight tonight, the wind will shift around to the south. So at this time tomorrow, you'll notice that the south wind, and that will help us in a warming trend for tomorrow. We'll see highs in the 80s. Now, headed out the next few hours, temperatures remaining in the 40s through 9 a.m. up to 62 at noon with the north wind only 5 to 10 miles an hour, and pleasant at 5, 70 degrees. Here's your 7-day forecast. Of course, tomorrow night, 2 for Tuesday out at One Oak Field for the Tulsa Drillers. We'll see highs in the 80s tomorrow and Wednesday. Next rain chance begins on Thursday, but not expecting anything significant on Thursday. We'll see higher chances for rain and thunderstorms toward Friday and Saturday with the next cool front. So right now it does look like that for the weekend. This upcoming weekend we could see some rain in green country. Still a few days to watch it and change our minds.
It's been so nice to have a few typical spring-like days here, hasn't it?
Very true.
These mornings have been awesome with these 40s. Feels nice.
We like it. Thank you, George. Well.